Hello happy internet, welcome back to my off-grid countryside life. Today I am giving you a quick tomato garden update, day 64 since I planted them. I want to show you how they are growing here in my countryside garden. These are my organic tomato growing here in sacks. I have used natural fertilizer like compost manure and spoiled milk. Today I'm watering my tomato with rainy water and checking pests. Living off-grid, I enjoy growing my own food. This small garden has been part of my daily routine. Watering, checking growth, and just watching nature do its magic. Today, I'm sharing updates on day 64 to show you tomato has started ripening. If you enjoy simple countryside living, off-grid gardening, or organic tomato farming, please like the video and subscribe for more updates. Things here because of the chickens. They are celebrating my tomato like I cover it so cuckoos cannot find it. Garden of tomato is also doing great. This is my tomato, my little tomato garden. Here we go. A little tomato garden. Yeah, and they're really doing well. You see, the tomatoes are already coming out. Very yummy. This is a joker. Chickens from my garden for the tomatoes. So I do like this, then they are scary. Mix it still, it's really mixed well. There we go. Tomato. There we go. The tomato garden is here. This is my tomatoes. So we just want to do watering of the tomatoes, and then we pour the milk. Very super nice. Tomatoes are grown. This is the first time I'm doing this in my life, so I'm so overwhelmed. Don't get me wrong, I'm so overwhelmed because this is the first time I've done something in my life. The cow is itchy. section is done. So we are back to the milk fertilizer side so that we can do it very quick. So here is my little garden that I have here. I put something to prevent the chickens to get in. So my tomatoes are doing great. Very super nice. I'm happy with them a lot. Because I didn't expect such a thing in my life. I never do a garden. I'm so happy. So overwhelmed with my garden here. So I just want to prune. I pruned yesterday and tied them. I saw something here. Is it damaged? Oh, it's not damaged. It's just its shape. I thought maybe the chicken has started doing me horrible stuff. It's okay. Okay. This is a sucker. Sucker was supposed to eat. And this is how they look like. Beautiful, spacey, breathing nice, hang tomatoes. Very super nice. Wow, wow. This one 64 days tomorrow. The day 64. I got one already. Day 64 from my kitchen garden. Look at that. That's a good size too. Wow, wow. Wow, wow. Look at that. How about that? Not a nice big size. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, so I just wanna do. I wanna do watering. Yeah. This one is also tomorrow will be ready. It's ready. Good morning, happy internet. So today I'm gonna harvest my first tomato. Day 65. Day 65. I have two nice big tomatoes. Day 65. So that is what we are gonna do. I'm harvesting before I leave. I'm leaving very, very soon. So I just wanna have my tomato here. This one will be harvested very soon. Maybe today is Tuesday, September 14. So we're just gonna harvest this one. quick. There we go. So this one gonna rip slowly in the house. Okay. Put this one here. Bah.